Hey guys, welcome back. So in this one, I'll show you the best way to remove parental controls on Android, even if you forgot the PIN. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Google Play Store. Yeah, just tap on it. Then head over to the top right corner and open your profile menu. Now, go to settings, scroll down to the family section and tap on parental controls. If you see that it's turned on, normally it'll ask for the PIN to switch it off. But if you don't have the PIN, don't worry. There's a little workaround. Close the Play Store, then open your phone settings. From here, scroll down and find apps or app management, depending on your phone model. Now, once you're inside the apps section, tap on Manage Apps. At the top right corner, tap the three-dot menu and choose Show All Apps. Yeah, make sure you're seeing everything. Next, in the search bar, type Google Play and select Google Play Store. Now, tap Force Stop on the left side and confirm it. After that, tap Clear Data at the bottom, then choose Clear All Data and hit OK. All right, once that's done, reopen the Google Play Store. It might take a few seconds to load, but after it's back, go to your profile again, open Settings, head into Family, and yep, parental controls should now be off. And that's pretty much it. Parental controls removed, no PIN needed. If this helped you out, go ahead and give it a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.